Good afternoon. Currently, more than 25 million people in the United States have asthma. Approximately 14.8 million people have been diagnosed with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, along with other breathing conditions, according to the Summary Health Statistics of 2013. EnviroConnect. EnviroConnect serves to help monitor the air quality so a user with asthma or other breathing conditions can plan outdoor activities while receiving up-to-the-second updates as to help negate potential health risks and live life to the fullest. EnviroConnect is a small portable device that will monitor and report the amount of pollutants in the air while outside and report back to an application on a smart device such as a phone. The device currently consists of 4 components: an Arduino Uno board, an MQ135 sensor, an MH Bluetooth 4.0 module, a 9-volt battery connector for power, and a smart device. The coding for this project was created using Arduino IDE software. The coding looks to define the outputs of an Arduino and start the transmissions of the sensor output. I then defined the output levels into severity categories based on testing results and add them to the serial print function so to display the results to a serial reader. Bluetooth software libraries were added and configured into the code to transmit the output to the Arduino through the Bluetooth module and onto a serial reader app on a mobile device. The MQ135 sensor measures the amount of gases in parts per million, which is the measurement from one gas to another. The sensor has a measurement range from 0 to 1,000, with 0 being no gases detected and 1,000 being the maximum level of exposure detected. A secure passcode authenticator was created and configured through the command line interface. The passcode authenticator will prompt a user to enter a custom passcode for security purposes upon connecting to the EnviroConnect device. The device can be used in either Android or Mac devices that have Bluetooth capability. The device serial reader prints the preset ranges of responses every second based on the air quality measurements and displays for the user. Tests to configure the sensitivity range was conducted both indoor and outdoor, with activity ranges from long-distance hikes to sitting on the patio in the backyard. Currently, there are no cost-friendly options out on the market for a mobile air quality monitoring system. Most products currently on the market are used for indoor air quality monitoring, such as smoke or carbon dioxide. Future iterations of this project will include a fully working radio gauge phone application I created through the software development kit Flutter. I would also like to create a trip tracking section for the app that plots the air quality results and displays them in duration graphs. EnviroConnect uses the latest in user-friendly technology and allows you to take it into the outside world to use a smaller, more compact device. Thank you.